Justice Emmanuel Agim, leading 6 other justices of the Supreme Court, on June 11, 2024, delivered a judgment which was considered to be a milestone in Nigeria's constitutional democracy. The justices had declared that it is unconstitutional to withhold funds allocated to local governments, dissolve local government councils, or appoint caretaker committees. The court also ruled that monies meant for the local government from the federation account should be paid directly to the account of the local councils. The December 2024 federation account allocations shared on January 16, 2025 for the local governments were however paid to the state government, making the financial autonomy which the Supreme Court ruled an illusion.
To contravene the Supreme Court order, that is where the Attorney General, who is the Chief Law Officer, should come. If you feel that the judgment of the Supreme Court is ambiguous, is not approach the Supreme Court for clarification. The law is straightforward. You have no right whatsoever to direct how local government funds should be shared or used. Local government chairman is there with his councillors. State governor is there with the State House of Assembly to administer the money meant for the state. This one, okay, if you are now saying, would the National Assembly and the President control the money coming for your state? It doesn't work like that. So that is just it. If you feel that the local government chairman and the councillors are misusing the fund, you approach EFCC, you approach ICPC, you approach the police. They are not under immunity. They should be investigated. Where they feel that there is a corruption, they looted the money, they should be made to face the wrath of the law.
The state government seems to have acted within their legal rights as prescribed by the Constitution. Section 162, subsection 5 of the Constitution prescribes that the amount standing to the credit of the local government councils in the federation account shall be allocated to the states for the benefit of the local government councils. A direct payment to the account of the local government as declared by the Supreme Court would have contradicted this provision of the Constitution. Section 162, subsection 6 of the Constitution creates more challenge in the ruling of the Supreme Court. It provides that each state shall maintain a special account to be called State Joint Local Government Account, into which shall be paid all allocations to the local government councils of the states from the federation account or from the government of the states. When some state governors visited President Bola Ahmed Tinubu on January 1, 2025, the president said that he had no intention to take away state control of the local government away from the governors.
You have the control of your local governments. Do what you expected of grassroots effectiveness and restoration of their hope. It's in your hand. There's nothing, no one is among us on all these tiers of government. There was some gossip that maybe we had a disagreement or quarrel and everything when it was local government's autonomy. No. Just drive the development down there to the local government authorities. Nobody wants to take the control away from you. But collaboration, let's do it together and make sure Nigeria is better off from it.
So, but you have a president that is saying, "Oh, I'm not taking anything away from you." What for? Eh? So, which means you have already, bring yourself back. You've given, they have won. that, no, I'm not taking anything away from you. You should take away something from them, please, for God's sake. The president should take something away from them and damn the consequences. And the fact of the matter is that if the president is bold enough, and then come out very strongly to fight on the side of the people, what he doesn't know is that, believe you me, the people may revolt against the other people, the governors. More so, like I said, this is a situation where you have the judiciary on your side, you have the National Assembly on your side. So what again are you looking for? You installed the principal officers of the National Assembly. You appointed the Chief Justice of the Federation. You appointed the INEC and everything. So what? You have the police. So why are you afraid of these local champions?
That thing is a political statement. Whatever the president said cannot set aside the Supreme Court judgment. When someone said, I said, Mr. President, I am not taking away your supervisory role in the state. They said the president has a supervisory role in the state. Don't you fear? He controls the DSSS in the state. He's the commander-in-chief. He controls the DSSS. He controls the DSSS, the police in the state. But would that amount to the president controlling the funds of the state? The answer is no.
In effect, politically and constitutionally, the state government still have a firm control of local governments in the country.
There's no way you can have elections conducted by the governors themselves. They appoint the electoral officers. They appoint the tribunal, if at all there's any issue or something like that. So I don't know what kind of magic you want to perform that these governors will not continue to have that grip, on the tier, that tier of governance. And so that's why even when some of them attempted to have what they want to call elected officials, we saw what happened. Nothing changed from what they have been doing. It's like it's a question of appointment. It's like local government has been reduced to a department, under the governor's office, so that he now appoints who he wants, the councillors, the chairman, what have you. He appoints them. They will now be returned, that one party has won everything that is put up for elections, as if people in that area are all robots or something like that. So has it really worked? If we have to be sincere with ourselves, it has not worked. I have not seen the impact of the reforms or of the judgments of the Supreme Court.
Unless the National Assembly takes steps to amend the Constitution, the financial autonomy expected from the June 11, 2024 judgment declared by the Supreme Court will remain an issue that rakes up political dust in Nigeria. In Abuja, Nasiru Usman for Signature TV.